What makes you, you? The nature of identity has puzzled thinkers for ages. Some philosophers argue that our identity is tied to our memories and experiences, while others suggest it's more about the continuity of consciousness over time. John Locke believed that personal identity hinges on memory. If we can remember past experiences, then we are the same person. However, consider this. As we change and grow throughout life, are we still the same individual? The Buddhist perspective introduces a fascinating twist with its concept of anatta, or non-self, suggesting that what we think of as self is merely an illusion formed by changing experiences. This raises questions about accountability and relationships. If we're ever-changing entities, how do we maintain connections with others? Exploring these ideas prompts us to reflect on who we truly are in a constantly evolving world.